day. My name is Miss Amelia and I am from the Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fun activity at home using one of our Take and Make kits. So the Take and Make kit for this week is to make an Arctic animal suncatcher. So you can stop by the Columbus or Saluda Library this week and pick up a kit with all of the materials for this activity. Inside your kit, you're going to have several different things. The first thing you may notice is all of the confetti that's in your bag. So when you open this up, you want to wait till you open it right when you're going to do the activity. You don't want to open this in the car because then you'll have confetti all over your car. So wait till you get home to open this. So you'll have confetti, you'll have contact paper, which is clear paper that's sticky on one side, and you'll have a small circle and a big circle. Also, we have two fun animals in here. These are our Arctic animals. So we have an Arctic seal, and we also have a polar bear and his mom. Okay, so we're going to use those in our activity today. So you have 4 pieces of contact paper, and the contact paper is sticky paper that's only sticky on one side. So to get it started, you have to pull the paper off of the sticky paper. So you've got 2 pieces here. And the part that I'm pulling off, this part is sticky. Okay, so you're going to lay your first suncatcher paper, your sticky paper, with the sticky side up. So if I touch it, it's sticky. Okay? And I'm going to start with my big circle first. And I'm going to lay that down in the middle of my sticky paper. Okay. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of my confetti onto my suncatcher. And you can be really particular and you can put the confetti on there in a certain way, or you can just sprinkle it on and see where it lands. But you want to make sure that all of the sticky space is covered. Okay. I'm going to put lots of tissue paper on here. Tissue paper confetti. And if you want to, you can color your Arctic animals. So your Arctic seal might be a gray color, or it could be a white Arctic seal. And then your polar bears are going to stay white. If you want to be creative, you could color your polar bears a specific color. I've never seen purple polar bears, but if you want to have purple polar bears in your suncatcher, that's okay. I'm going to get some more tissue paper, and I'm just going to sprinkle mine on pretty quickly here. Okay, and make sure all of the space, or most of the space, is covered on the inside. And if you get some outside of your circle, that's okay. You can see that I'm pulling mine off, but if it sticks on there, that's okay. You've got plenty of confetti to work with. And I have a lot of blue in this one. That's okay. My polar bears need a nice blue background. Okay, so I've got most of my area covered. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my polar bears to the middle. Okay, I'll put my polar bears this way, that way you can see. So I've got my polar bears, and to make my polar bears stick, I'm going to need to use another piece of my contact paper. So you're going to start peeling it back from the corner. Okay, and you're going to use the sticky side, and this time we're going to put it down onto the project. Okay. And when you get it on there, you're going to smooth it out. Okay, and we're going to use scissors. Scissors did not come in your kit, so you'll need to use a pair of scissors from home for this part. But you're going to cut all the way around the circle, the outside of the circle. That's going to take off all of this extra sticky paper and leave us with our Arctic suncatcher. So like I said, in your kit there is enough confetti and contact paper to make 2 suncatchers to go into your window. This is an example just using the first one in the largest suncatcher. And when I get home, I'm going to use some tape and I'm going to tape this up in my window. You can kind of see if I hold it up to the light, you can see the colors shining through. So I hope you have fun.